Hey guys, I am back. Okay, so I am going to show you guys today how to learn how to code from zero to hero. I'm going to include a link in the description where you can use this ChatGPT agent for your very own self. And keep in mind that this will require you to have a ChatGPT subscription as well. But here I call this Coding Bootcamp, a zero to hero programming mentor for learners, anyone at all. You can see the conversation starters here. Tell me to code in C# from zero to hero. What programming language should I learn? What is the best for making AI? Let's make a beginner project with Python. So this you can code in any programming language you could think of. Rust, Go, HTML if you feel like. Yeah, zero to hero guide. So let's try it out. Teach me to code in C# from zero to hero. Welcome to Coding Bootcamp for learning C# from zero to hero. I'm excited to guide you on this journey. Since you're starting from scratch, we'll begin with the basics and gradually move into more complex topics. So this is actually really well designed. I made it myself. I took some very advanced prompts that I came up for a tutorial for Golang, which I'll also include in the description for you to try out. But anyways, yeah, it's very advanced. It'll walk you through the whole thing from scratch. If you don't know anything about programming, that's okay, because this can teach you how to program anything depending on what you want to program, how much money you want to make, anything possible. I've also made one for cybersecurity certifications. If you're interested in cybersecurity, it takes data directly off the cybersecurity roadmap for certifications, takes information from a lot of places. So ChatGPT is definitely going to be, in my opinion, the new way that people learn how to do things. Instead of saying take a class on Udemy, they might come here to the ChatGPT store, pay for or somehow use my coding bootcamp. We do not know how it's going to be monetized yet, so that's why I say that. And then get on here and just start learning from scratch, from the very beginning. And I think that'll make people much smarter. I think a lot of people think with better tech people get dumber, but that's not true, because there's a lot of people I think are stupid, but I was born when computers were already a thing, almost. Didn't really grow up with computers. I grew up playing in the sandbox. Anyways, so this is great. Introduction, setting up the environment, an integrated development area, creating your first C# project, understanding syntax, and now it's going to go through these. So this is just getting started. And of course, if you don't understand one of these, or it's not going in depth enough, right now, of course, it's just giving you fundamental computer science programming fundamentals, so you can understand later what you're going to be doing with C++. See, if I say, gotcha, now let's start writing some beginner projects. And now it will, I don't know how to code in C++ or C#, so, yeah, now it's going to come up with some project ideas, and you can expand on this. It's not going to necessarily dive right in unless you specify, okay, I'm done learning the fundamentals. It's based to assume you're going from zero to hero. You know, most programmers would probably be on Stack Overflow or something. But anyways, this is a really great shortcut. I think it's going to be the new age of, you know, screw getting one way of learning something from one different school district or one state or some private school, or paying a bunch of money. Just go on ChatGPT, click the link in the description, pay $20 a month, and you can have access to this and basically any other ChatGPT agent that I've made, which includes, you know, Golang programming tutorials, this coding bootcamp, anything you can really think of. There are a lot of different things. So thank you guys for watching. Go and write some code, get into cybersecurity. Goodbye.